Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I'm going to show you how a local market can lock a translation for distribution. So right now I'm in my campaign, and under content I go to distributions. We have the distributions here, but this has already been distributed and we can click on sync. If we click on sync, it will refresh the content. But it's also possible to manually add the content in the local market. For example, if you have distributed your content, but you want to edit some things, that's still possible. For example, the Japanese content. If I open this, I can click on the content item. I can edit this manually and I can protect it from the distribution. In this way, when I resync the distribution, it will not overwrite this post. This post will stay like it is right now. And the other post will be overwritten again. I click on save. So now when I go back to the market, the main market, I go to distributions. I need to go here to the campaign. I go to distribution and I can sync it. Well, the post in the Japanese market will stay the same and will not be overwritten. All the posts you didn't lock will be overwritten. I hope this is clear. I wish you a good day and thank you for watching.